Not only am I going to make you pay child support, ma'am, you're going to pay back pay as well. Guess what? Sell your condo, then you can afford that. You need to pay for your own children, ma'am. Excuse me, I'm speaking. It's $754. It's what's in the best interest of the children. These are your children, not your mother's children. These are her grandchildren.
Make her do the right thing.
Well, I don't know if I can make it. I can only do what the law allows,
and
right?
It just shows to, just how low she'll stoop to how she behaves and how she acts.
But she letting you live for free, pays for everything for your children. She feeds your children. She's literally doing everything. You're doing nothing.
I cook, I clean, I
Hold on. Cooking and cleaning. You don't get any credit for that. On a monthly basis, how much money do you say you bring in from braiding hair?
$1,200. So I'm not always
getting money. Do I look like I was born yesterday? Let me tell you what is my business. I have your gross calculated at $3,283. So monthly child support comes out to $754. That's how much you'll pay your mom a month.
Exactly. You'll break up.
No, because you need to pay for your own children, ma'am. Excuse me, I'm speaking. $899.60 is gonna be your monthly child support obligation you're gonna pay each month to this man. You're looking confused, and I don't understand why you look.
I'm not making $70,000 a month anymore. I'm making $30,000 a year. I left my job, and the reason why I left it, and I did do it intentionally, I felt that it was not right.
Wait a minute. You're making $30,000 a year now, but ma'am, you intentionally work at a job that pays you less.
How can you do this to us?
Excuse me, sir. Sir, do not address her. Address me.
Yes, ma'am. I do
Obviously she can't help your situation. Yeah. That's why you're here. What type of education do you have?
I have my master's.
You have a master's degree and you're a head clerk?
Yes, ma'am.
What's the qualification to work at that job?
You just need a high school diploma.
High school diploma. I'm not about to play with you. Ma'am, I'm going to make you pay child support. You think that you're going to come in this courtroom and get me to order that you pay a less amount when you're capable of making the $70,000 with a master's degree? You made that up.
So I'm sharing custody with our 12-year-old daughter now. I'm just wanting a little more help with finances because as she's getting older, expenses are getting a little higher. And
he's trying to take advantage of my new relationship.
Okay, tell me about this new relationship.
My husband's a CEO of an energy company, so you would expect a huge allowance, but obviously...
What type of allowance do you receive?
About $500 a week. The car that he drives was about $200,000. So I'm thinking you'd probably have to make more than that.
You only get a $500 a week allowance? You know what, that's not my business.
He's the Steve Jobs of the town of energy, so to say.
So let me ask you this. Are you expecting her child support to be based on his Steve Jobs? No, that's not how this works. What we can do, ma'am, is make you pay more in child support because at this point you've been paying $0. Child support obligation monthly comes out to $396. How much is it that you make a year?
$200K.
She makes $200,000 a year.
Okay, all right.
$200,000.
First of all, I want to say how good it is to be in front of you, because I know you are a fair judge and you gonna hear this right, because a brother needs some help around about it. She has not given me any help. 2 of the kids, mine.
Okay.
I just take care of the little third one because she won't come around.
Okay.
I don't think the mother should pay child support to the father.
That's what I'm talking about. That's the kind of stuff I have to deal with. She don't want to do nothing for the children. Nothing.
How much money do you send them on a monthly basis?
I send my children $750 a month.
Skirt! $55. I'm telling you, it's a travesty.
I made my ruling. Your child support, $2,760 plus the $100 reimbursement, bringing your amount to $2,860 per
Like and
month.
subscribe if you think she deserved this verdict.
As I said.
I want my baby back and I want child support.
I'm sorry, you have to excuse me because nothing you're saying is making sense right now. You came to court to ask me to give a child back to you that was taken care of.
They took my baby away because my ex-boyfriend is an abuser and I'm not with him anymore, so I want my baby back.
Fill me in over here. The baby was placed with you after the boyfriend hit the baby?
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
You pay for everything for the child.
Everything.
What does she do? Financially, what does she do?
Nothing.
Oh, that's what I figured. Okay, I see what's going on here, and I'm not about to play this game with you. Expect to get child support.
When I get my baby back, I want child support, yeah. He makes way more money than I do.
I'm about to play this game with you. You're the one that's gonna pay him child support today.
What?
Yeah, you are.
He makes like 3 times as much money as I do. I have to give him my money.
It's for the child, so yes, you do.
Okay. How much money do you make?
I make about 30 grand.
Is that the truth? Because you kind of hesitated.
She dropped off her child to me about like 6 months ago and literally never came back. I've been taking care of her. She's been getting sick a lot. My sister over here has been up in the club, twerking, and not taking care of her responsibilities and what she needs to do.
Why is that funny?
Basically, I just feel like we shouldn't even be here. We're sisters. This is a family matter.
You seem to be upset.
Yes, I'm very upset.
She should be the one upset. You left your daughter, have not come back. She's paying things out of pocket. Your daughter has health issues, and you're not giving her any type of financial assistance. Your child support obligation will start today, and health insurance brings your child support obligation to $754 a month. You can roll your eyes
Like and
all you want
subscribe
to.
if you think she
I'm
deserved
really
this
not
verdict.
bothered by that. Right is right, and wrong is wrong.
He's a user and I'm taking care of him and his new fiance. He's still allowing me to pay child support for a kid that I'm providing full support for.
Right, but you understand you're under a court order to pay child support. That's not necessarily something that he's
He could have
doing.
denied it or even spoke up and told you guys that I'm taking care of the child financially.
Well, let's play devil's advocate a little bit. Would you have done that for him if the roles were reversed?
Yes, ma'am.
You would have opted not to put him on child support.
Exactly, I wouldn't have done that.
I don't believe that. I don't believe that.
Okay. People in your certain circumstances, I can't say that I've seen them willingly not put the guy on child support when the roles were reversed. The child lives with him, so you should be paying child support. You'd agree with me, right?
I mean, my child don't have to technically live with him, but you're the judge, so whatever you say.
But he does. I mean, technically, no, he doesn't, but he likes living with his dad, right?
Yes, I agree.
Okay, so you wouldn't want to unroot him from living with dad if he likes being over there. No, you agree with me?
I agree.
Okay, all right.
My son was married to the respondent, and he died. They had a child that's now 3 years old that has been left in my custody. I'm asking for some sort of relief or support because I'm retired from the military and on a fixed income.
Okay. First of all, my condolences for the
Well,
loss
thank
of
you.
your
I
son.
appreciate that.
And thank you for your service as well. Has mom given you any support for the child?
No, she hasn't.
Ma'am,
Well, I've been traveling. My job had me traveling.
what do you do? Tell me about your traveling.
Well, I had got this new condo for one thing, and that.
Wait a minute. You got a you got a condo and you're traveling?
Well, I thought he was getting
No,
government.
well, I thought you should have been giving him something for child support. So we're going to go ahead and make that happen today. And the child has been living with you for the past 2 years, you say?
2 years.
So not only am I going to make you pay child support, ma'am, you're going to pay back pay as well.
I can't afford that.
Guess what? Sell your condo, then you can afford that.